Last showing. Ayan. Video natin before tayo alis. Ayan ang ceiling guys. So, may ilaw yan. I-connect na natin ilaw. Ayan ang bed, double bed. Ayan ang double bed guys. Itong bunk bed. 2 bunk bed. Two double bed. Up and down. Pag may mga bata, if you have kids, dito, you go in here. Then, double bed. Ayan lang. Simple lang to. Ang bahay na to. Glamping. Ito yung glamping tawag nila guys. We have to bring your own beddings. You have to bring your own beddings. Ayan. That's it. I-connect nga natin ilaw. Ay, patay. Ay, ito pala yata yun. Ayan, mag-iilaw yan. Ayan, guys. That's the door. May microwave dyan. And double bed. Ito, bunk bed.